Hi, my name is Bevan. I've been coming to Health and Balance and seeing Dr. Gary and the staff for almost 3 months now. I had extreme neck and back pain for about 5 months that was completely debilitating. I went to 3 different health practices and wasn't really getting any help, not results that I needed anyways. And I was really convinced that surgery was going to be the only option to get me better. But luckily I had a family member who had an amazing experience with Dr. Gary and recommended me here. And so I gave it a shot, and within literally minutes, Dr. Gary diagnosed what the problem was, an MRI to confirm it, and within about 3 weeks I went from a consistent level of pain of 9 to about a 6, and 3 months later I'm at about a 2. It's really been amazing. The pain was unbelievable. I couldn't work. I have a newborn baby. I couldn't even hold my baby. It completely took over my life, and I was really convinced that it was going to be a huge surgery. That was going to be the only thing that could fix me. But thankfully, Dr. Gary and his amazing staff was able to do what they've been able to do without surgery, and just getting my body to heal itself through home care and therapy, and it's been quite the miracle. So I would encourage someone that's going through pain to give Dr. Gary and his staff just a shot. Just come in and hear what they have to say. And it's an investment. Our bodies are an investment, and I'm so glad and thankful that me and my wife decided to invest in the care that they have provided for me, because it's paid off huge in an amount of time that I didn't think was possible. After 3 months of being here and not being able to carry my newborn baby, not being able to work, not even being able to drive, now I can do all of those things practically pain-free, which is unbelievable. So yeah, my life is back to normal, and in fact I feel better now than I have in years. So it's been quite amazing.